What's up, guys? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Safemoon is blasting off as we speak. Hopefully, you guys are ready. Hopefully, you packed your bags because Safemoon is taking off and is not waiting for no one. So, we're gonna just be discussing in this video about Safemoon, about where it's heading, and what's the price predictions coming up. So stay tuned and find out by watching the rest of this video. But before we get started, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I upload every single day, sometimes twice a day. You do not want to miss updates like these. I covered any cryptocurrency in the market that is relevant, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, SafeMoon, plus many more. Anything that will make us financially free in the future, we will talk about it in this channel, and let's grow and learn together. So let's get this video started. So on the screen we have Safemoon, and as you can see, we are up 53% so far for today. That's not the highest. I've seen it go all the way past 90%. Recently it pulled back this last hour. It's a retracement, but it's a healthy retracement because obviously it can't run up forever. We need a couple pullbacks here and there to kind of correct itself, and during these phases is when it's probably a good idea to probably buy in a little bit more. Not financial advice, obviously. Only play with money that you're willing to lose, because these are kind of the cryptos or hype coins that are high risk, high reward area to play with. So if you're willing to risk a good amount of money in Safemoon, there is a good potential to make a lot of money. But like I said, high risk, high reward. So I have Safemoon pulled up on the screen and the chart, and as you can see, we are currently trading around 59.60 area. I'm not gonna call the zeros in front of the number. That's honestly a waste of time. So 59.60. Right now we have hit a resistance of around at 60 right now. Um, as you can see, it's trying to pass it, but it's getting rejected. So if it does reject this resistance, we have a support right at 46. Yeah, right at 46 that we could probably bounce off to and kind of trade sideways for a little bit. But honestly, we're getting the volume that we lost months ago because, as we know, the last couple months of Safemoon hasn't been the greatest. Um, they've been leaving pretty much everyone like in the dark. A bunch of people on the team has been leaving. But what I've been seeing is these old hype coins from last year that popped off last year are popping off this year again. So, like for an example, Shiba Inu last year took off, made a lot of people a lot of money, and then what happened? It crashed down. Now again, this year it took back off, and it's still popping off. There's still a lot of people making money, like me and anybody else that is trading Shiba right now. And as we can see, Safemoon is not staying behind, and this is good because I honestly bought into Safemoon last year. Like after the hype, I kind of bought at the top, but it was money that I was willing to lose. So I kind of allocate money in my cryptos. Pretty much my top three cryptos that I hold long term would be Ethereum, Cardano, and Dogecoin, to be honest. And then my hype coins that I see high risk, high reward, but I don't put a lot of money into per se, like compared to like my portfolio, would be, for example, like SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, and a couple others that I'm probably forgetting right now. But the main two would be Shiba Inu and SafeMoon. These are cryptos that are high risk, high reward plays. The good thing about it is it doesn't take that much money to make a lot of money in these kind of cryptos. It's like, for example, if we get the same momentum that we've been getting on Shiba, $100 investment right now in SafeMoon could probably 10x your money like that if we get the same momentum and volume into SafeMoon. But not financial advice, obviously, only for entertainment purposes. Invest invest wisely and trade wisely. Only put up money that you're willing to lose. So right now we're probably expecting, if it doesn't break out of this resistance of 5960 area, we do expect Safemoon to kind of retrace back down to its support of 46. And as you can see, I have this yellow line drawn here because it's a pretty healthy, strong support that it can be trading or bouncing against it. But I don't really think I mean not Shiba, but Safe Moon is gonna come more down than this. Let me just put it into the day chart real quick. And as you can see, I drew a Fibonacci retracement since from its previous all-time high right here. And this is honestly what we're probably expecting it to happen on Safe Moon if we get the volume. For example, Shiba had the momentum. We do expect to have Safemoon trade back up from its previous all-time high, and for example, be like Shiba and blow its all-time high away into the dust. So honestly, all the people out there holding Safemoon, stay strong, and the Safemoon army will be there, and we'll all pull in together and make this money. But before we end this video, one last thing. I pulled up Google Trends. I have right now Shiba Inu and Safemoon. Shiba Inu is the blue line, and then Safemoon is the red line. Looks like Shiba Inu still hasn't peaked out. We still don't see the peak going down. But look at this Safemoon. It's really hard to see, but it's starting kind of trend upward. Give it a couple more days. If we see more gains, if we see tomorrow another like a 50%, 90% run on Safemoon, expect this trend to start mimicking, Shiba Inu. And this would technically trigger you like a buy a buy signal to buy Safemoon, to be honest, because this pretty much means that everyone is going to start be talking about Safemoon, and that's another good sign when you're trading crypto or investing in crypto. If it's a long play or a short play, more likely if it's a long play, this doesn't really matter to you. But if you're in it to trade it, make money quick, pay attention about the TA and pay attention to Google Trends. It does help a lot. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Comment down below if you're excited about Safemoon gains coming up. And also comment down below, when was your first time you bought Safemoon? And when do you expect to sell your Safemoon? I would love to know. Comment down below. And yeah, subscribe right here. And also don't mind watching that video coming up next. And we'll see you till next time. Peace.